Hello everyone! What I have here is my first fragrant orchid in my collection. This is Phalaenopsis Tzu Chiang Prince, crossed between Phalaenopsis Sogo Manager by Tzu Chiang Pawan. This orchid sounds like a member of a royal family by its name, Prince. I'll tell you about his interesting ancestry, gorgeous flowers, unique fragrance, as well as its secret weapons. Since this prince is a complex hybrid, it is next to impossible to find all his ancestry. Luckily, I could find one that helped me to unveil his hidden charm. I'll put a link to its source in the description box below, so you can see if you're interested. According to this source, this prince has 15 Phalaenopsis species in it. How wonderful is that? 15. Don't worry, I don't want to bore you by listing of all its names. But I should mention 5 major ancestry that mostly affected its appearance and cultural habit. Can you guess which orchid they are? The first one is Phalaenopsis amboinensis, violacea, amabilis, micholitzii, venosa, and 10 others. It also has merely 0.2% Doritis genus in it. That is why it's called Doritaeniopsis, abbreviated Dtps, Tzu Chiang Prince as well. As far as I've learned, any Phalaenopsis that has Doritis genus in its ancestry, they are considered as Dtps. It is interesting to know their family tree for finding many answers about your orchid's weird growing habit too. And that's why all Phalaenopsis seem to require similar care, but yet most of them respond differently. To be honest, I got bored easily when it comes to their ancestry because of their unfamiliar names and various genus. Now I think I'm ready to pay more attention on finding their background. Let's get to his gorgeous flowers. What you see here is orange and pink variety. You can also find a yellow one. This orange and pink colors and pattern on the flowers seem to be from Phalaenopsis amboinensis and violacea. I have seen their cross named Phalaenopsis Princess Kaiulani, which looks a lot like this prince. My Tzu Chiang Prince is a little darker in color than the princess I just showed you, and more patterns on the flowers. It blooms similarly like a species. It puts out 1 to 5 flowers on each stalk, sometimes blooms sequentially and branches out from its old flower spikes, so you better not cut the old spikes unless it turns yellow. Mine has 2 existing flower spikes, for now, with 3 flowers on one of them. Also, working on new flower spike at the bottom. How nice! And about its fragrance. I really like it. I can detect its scent all this time while filming. At first, when I sensed it, I could not point out what exactly its fragrance is like. So I checked it out, its ancestry, to figure it out. Amboinensis has a freshly cut grass scent. Violacea has a spicy cinnamon. Both amabilis and micholitzii are scented, but no further details I can find. Venosa has a scent of crushed centipedes. Really, I have no idea what this smells like, but it's kind of interesting. My conclusion from this research is that this prince has fresh, spicy, citrus fragrance, but not sweet. It develops a scent within 5 days after flowering. As the flower ages, its scent develops very nicely like a high-quality perfume, which lasts almost all day. It starts early morning, during the day gets intense but not powerful. It fades late evening, but still you can detect when near it. Finally, let's take a look at the secret weapons. Phalaenopsis is monopodial, which means it grows their leaves upward from the top of the plant. alternating leaves. As you see, the leaves on the left side are all round in shape. On the other hand, the ones on the right side are all pointy. Even the new ones too. They look like shields and swords. I think this orchid deserves its name, Prince, who is holding weapons to protect his property from his enemy. I find it very adorable and somewhat whimsical. Its cultural habit is similar to worm-growing species. It prefers to grow in a partially sunny area with warm temperatures. I notice it starts slowing down their growth in intermediate temperature. So try to grow it in warm condition and keep its roots fairly moist but not wet. I think this is all I have today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!